Beautiful gardens.
Ouais, la festival of Art aussi.
Ah oui.
Festival of Art.
Legend says the word Canada comes from Kanata, the Huron-Iroquois word for village. And
impressive. She can move, too. The Blue Nose was once the world's fastest racing schooner.
The Atlantic provinces are well known for their historical towns and traditions, as well as some of the most musical Canadian accents you'll find anywhere in the country.
Naturellement, both cities offer lots for you to explore and discover.
No matter where you travel throughout the country, one thing you'll discover is that Canadians thrive on and embrace the public exploration of art, theater, dance, and music. The Thousand Islands Suspension Bridge straddles Canada and the United States across the St. Lawrence River. It's just one of our many natural U.S.-Canadian connections.
Niagara Falls is another. And as any self-respecting Canadian will tell you, our falls are bigger than the American falls.
But they're both really spectacular.
That's true.
Continuing west of our way bigger falls is the provincial capital, the great city of Toronto, one of the largest cities in North America, and in my opinion, one of Canada's best. Did I mention absolutely gorgeous, and one of today's most exciting modern cities.
Cowboy hats are proper dinner attire in a region where horse and ranch culture still thrive. As does the annual Calgary Stampede, a spectacle that's been charging along for over 100 years.
Just outside Calgary, the great outdoors become even greater, with activities for every skill and thrill level. And I'd be remiss if I didn't acknowledge our deep love of hockey, to two very different environments. The valley's temperate climate is ideal for growing grapes in our wine country. And you'll also find Canada's only desert region. Yes, Canada actually has a desert.
Now grab your coats, because we're heading toward the snowy peaks of Whistler. At Whistler Mountain, you'll find opportunities for almost every winter sport imaginable. There's more vitality and culture here than you can shake a Canadian maple leaf hat. Cathedral Grove.
We hope you know now why we love it so much. Not just for the natural beauty, but for the people who make it so special.
This is supposed to be Bouchard Gardens. What'd you do with him?
Folks, since you're all such a lively group, I'm going to give you a little history. Hello? Okay, I'm back. Hello. All right, so a fun fact about the Rose and Crown pub over here on the starboard side of the boat. That's the right side for you land lovers. When the Imagineers were trying to create what we have here today, they actually went over to the UK and found that there were over 1,000 different pubs, and they visited most of them. And that's how we came up with the Rose and Crown. I volunteered to go to the next one. All right, we are beginning our approach to the dock here at Morocco. For your safety, remain seated, but if you do stand up, hold on to a seat back or a handrail. It's a free floating boat. We may bumper bounce as we dock.
complete the lap and then come back if you'd like. This isn't.
Or we could just go to space 220. It's just so far away.
I was everywhere and OJ gets old, and it was left over from the people that were in the Airbnb before us. Like it was just literally.
Magic lamp. Hello.
Alright, this is Maneuver with Jasmine. You guys want to go upstairs and say hi?
Gotta be over there.
That's on me again. Look at my toe, it's broken. Oh my god.
60 minutes?
Here it is.
No. 60 minutes? No.
Last year.